Okay, so it's our requirement. We have to create one UI, and so on UI we have to display count fields, contact fields. Then we have to display two button, add and remove. On click of add and remove button, we have to display the information of account as well as contact. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to store account information. We have to store account information. So where we will store the account information? Mukul,
List of account.
Hina ma'am,
List of account?
other participants.
List of account.
We have to store one account information.
So in account object.
This one?
I want to store one account information, so we can say we will create one account. We will create one variable for account.
Okay.
Okay.
Account object.
One account type, data type. Second, we will create one contact type variable. Third, now what we have to do, we have to display account and contact information. Account and contact information. So how many information we can display? We can display many account information, many contact. Okay. So many account where you will store. Many account where you will store.
List?
Okay. List of
List of account.
Account.
account. Okay. Then list of contact. Okay. Else what you can do? You can come. Okay. Then we have to store list of account and list of contact in one place. Means you will create wrapper class. Then wrapper class you will store a list of account and contact. Okay. Else what you can do? Simple. Store account and contact information. Store account and contact information in wrapper class. So one account, one contact you are storing in wrapper class. If you have to display many account and contact, create list of wrapper. ठीक है, एक अकाउंट स्टोर करना है अकाउंट है, एक कॉन्टैक्ट स्टोर करना है कॉन्टैक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है, एक अकाउंट प्लस कॉन्टैक्ट स्टोर करने है रैपर क्लास है, एक से ज्यादा अकाउंट प्लस कॉन्टैक्ट स्टोर करने है क्या है लिस्ट ऑफ रैपर क्लास। ये बात समझ में आई सभी?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ये अप्रोच लेके चलें, ओके है?
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create one rैपर class. Name, you can write anything. Account contact detail, information, whatever you want to write, you can write. Okay, so I have created one class. What is it? It's the wrapper class. In wrapper class, we will store account information contact. Okay, so what I'm doing, I am going to create two variables. First, to store account information. Second, to store contact. Okay, so we will use it in Visual Force page. So I'm going to write cat set, because if I'll not write, I'll get the error message. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to create one main class. And one I'm going to create Visual Post page. Okay, so I used class in Visual Post page, so I'm going to write the control. Controller is equal to class only. Then go back, and I'm going to create one constructor. Okay. Then what I'm doing, account information, contact information we are storing, but account plus contact information where we will store? We will store in wrapper class. Okay, so go to the main class and here call the wrapper class to store account plus contact information. So public, write the wrapper class name, account on detail. Okay, initialize it, write any name, then cats. Okay, cats. So one account, one contact information we have in wrapper class, but we have to display, we can display many account and contact. So what, where we will store it? Many account and contact, we will store it in list of wrapper class. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create list of wrapper class. Public list of wrapper class name is account quantity. Type name, account, AC means account contact information, account contact it's the list. And name you can pick. Okay, then I'm going to initialize it. So in constructor, I'm going to initialize. This is equal to new AC count. And AC list is equal to new list of quantity. ठीक है, किसी को कोई डाउट यहाँ तक? डू यू हैव एनी डाउट टिल हियर?
Nice.
गुड. अब देखो AC क्या है? व्हाट इज AC? रैपर क्लास नेम. AC एक रैपर क्लास का नेम है. ठीक है, इस रैपर क्लास के अंदर क्या है? व्हाट इज इन रैपर क्लास?
Account and contact info.
Account and contact means in AC we have ACC and con. क्या हमने अकाउंट और कॉन्टैक्ट को इनिशियलाइज किया है अभी तक? ACC और कौन को?
Hmm.
ठीक है,
No, sir.
हाँ, तो पहले हमें इनिशियलाइज करना है, मेमोरी क्रिएट करनी है, देन वी कैन स्टोर द डेटा. ठीक है, अभी तक कोड गलत है क्योंकि हमने वो मतलब इनिशियलाइज नहीं किया है. सो इफ यू वांट टू इनिशियलाइज इट, व्हाट यू कैन डू, you can go to the main class, write the wrapper class name, dot, what you want to initialize. I want to initialize ACC is equal to new account. In wrapper class, we have con is equal to new contact. Then save it. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm initializing wrapper class object. ये लाइन सभी को समझ में आई? AC क्या है? रैपर क्लास. रैपर क्लास के अंदर हमारे पास ACC है. ठीक है, ACC इज इक्वल टू न्यू अकाउंट. हमने न्यू अकाउंट में मेमोरी क्रिएट कर दिया, अकाउंट टाइप का डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हो उसमें. न्यू कॉन्टैक्ट, कॉन्टैक्ट टाइप का डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं. कौन रेफरेंस वेरिएबल का नेम क्या है? कौन, जो कि AC रैपर क्लास के अंदर है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So else means you can initialize the wrapper class variable here. In main class, you can also initialize it. Else what you can do, go to the wrapper class, copy the class name, create one constructor, and in constructor, you can also initialize. Okay. So in wrapper class, you can also initialize it. Else you can initialize it in main class. So it's up to you where you want to initialize. Okay. If you will initialize it in wrapper class, so here we don't need to write. Okay, in main class, I have not initialized it because I have initialized in wrapper class. So you can also initialize in wrapper class. Both are same. Yes.
Good approach क्या होगी? In wrapper class with instance या फिर?
In wrapper class.
Okay, sir.
दोनों ही ओके है. गुड अप्रोच कुछ नहीं, दोनों ओके. If you will define it in main class, means other developer will confuse when they will read your code. They will confuse. Okay. So any doubt in here? I think there is no doubt. Good. So now I'm going to create two methods because I want to add it, okay, and remove it. Public void add method, and next which we have public void clear method. Okay. So when I will click on add button, what we have to do? We have to add the account and contact information. Where? In list. So I'm going to add it in list. AC list dot add what, where we are storing account and contact information. Account and contact information where we are storing.
AC.
Yeah, in that class.
Yes.
Good. After that, what I'm doing, I'm going to initialize because all data I don't want in the upper class. So AC is equal to new. जैसे हमने लिखा था ना उसमें AC is equal to new account, ऐसे ही मैंने the upper class का name. Okay. Then if I click on the clear button, what I want to delete all the elements. Okay. So all the elements are in the list. I want to delete all the elements from the list. So write the list name, use list of wrapper, then use clear method. Wrap class done. Then go to the Visual Force page, write the code in Visual Force page here. Okay. So I'm going to create form. Inside the form, I'm going to create page block. Inside page block, I'm going to create one section. Section name, I'm writing title, account information. Inside page block section, I'm going to create some input field. Here we have write the value. How we will access the data? Okay, so we can access AC and AC list. ठीक है, रैपर क्लास कौन सी वाली है? पहली वाली रैपर क्लास है, दूसरी लिस्ट ऑफ रैपर. रैपर क्लास के अंदर we have account as well as contact information. Write the wrapper class name dot what you want. What you want from wrapper class. I want a field of account object. Okay. So wrapper class name dot go to the destination. I want the field of account. So account name we have written ACC in wrapper class. How we will identify account? By ACC we will identify. So I have written ACC. Then which field you want from ACC? I want name field. Right. Copy it, paste it, paste it. I want name field, industry field, and I want phone and date. So which field you want, you can write. You can write all, you can write many, annual revenue rating, type. Okay, I think I'm getting one of those. Unknown property. There's some error in plot.
State.
Okay, now I'm going to create another section for contact. Title name, I'm writing contact info. Then I'm going to create input field and value. Now I want contact field. What I will write in value.
AC dot
Full just a
COM dot first name.
Mukul, what I will write here. I want to display the contact field.
AC dot
AC dot
मेन क्लास में जाना जी जी
hmm?
AC dot con dot first name वाला
हमें काजू चाहिए। काजू कैसे निकालेंगे? ठीक है, डिलीवरी बॉय आया, बॉक्स लेकर आया, तो पहले बॉक्स खोलेंगे। ठीक है, बॉक्स क्या है? रैपर क्लास। बॉक्स रैपर क्लास हम लोग ओपन करते हैं। रैपर क्लास के अंदर क्या है? ठीक है, काजू का पैकेट है। काजू का पैकेट लिया हमने। ठीक है, और काजू कहाँ स्टोर कर रखे हमने? काजू के पैकेट में। अकाउंट कॉन्टैक्ट की इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ स्टोर कर रखी है हमने? कॉन्टैक्ट कौन में। ऐसी काजू कहाँ है? पिन्नी में। तो काजू चाहिए हमें, पहले बॉक्स खोलो, रैपर क्लास खोलो, उसके अंदर जहाँ काजू है वहां जाओ। काजू पिन्नी में है। ठीक है, उस पिन्नी में जाओ, देन उस पैकेट को खोलो, काजू मिल जाएंगे। ऐसे कॉन्टैक्ट की फील्ड चाहिए, रैपर क्लास में जाओ, रैपर क्लास में कॉन्टैक्ट का जो वेरिएबल है उसे लिखो, देन उस वेरिएबल के अंदर सारी फील्ड है, राइट इट। ओके,
बट
नाउ
सर एसी तो अकाउंट ऑब्जेक्ट का है ना वेरिएबल नेम।
इट्स द रैपर क्लास वेरिएबल नेम एसी। मैंने उस टाइम ही बताया था कि एसी क्यों लिखा हूं मैं, अकाउंट और कॉन्टैक्ट की इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए। इट्स द
तो
रैपर क्लास
बहुत
नेम एसी।
ओके सर, ओके ओके।
ACC for account. Okay, I'm going to create button also. So inside the page block, I'm going to create page block button. So value, I'm writing action, I think add method. Okay, so button I have created. Want to give this style, you can also use this style also. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I want to display the record. So if you want to create third section, you can create third section, else you can create another block. Whatever you want to do, you can do. It's up to you. Okay, I have created another block. Inside the block, I'm going to create one table. And in table, there are two mandatory attributes, value and var. So in value, which type of information we pass? we pass
list,
type of information. So here we will pass list of wrapper.
ACC list.
Okay, write variable name, any name you can write. Then which information you want to display, you can write it. So in wrapper class, we have ACC, and I want to display information of name. Okay, so block name, I'm writing title is into account, contact, information. Going to save. First section. Now click on preview button. The value is coming. If I write second value, second value is coming. So if I'm click on add button, complete page is reloading. I don't want it. So what we will do, we will use tab. Okay. So now what I'm doing here, I'm writing reason. So any name you can write, any name, whatever you want to write, you can write. You can write refresh. Okay. So what you want to refresh on click of button. Okay. So I want complete thing. I want to refresh it. So ID is equal to same name you have to write. Same ID you have to pass. So refresh. Okay. From line number 235, that code will refresh when I will click on the add button. Line number 6, where oh. Now here I am entering the information. Clicking on add button. So when I will click on add button, so complete page will not reload. Okay. You can see what is working well. So do you have any doubt in this scenario? It's the code.
No, sir, but can I ask one question, sir?
Yes, sure.
Sir, in the place of add button, can we use standard action like save? So it is possible that we got to be save on account object.
Okay, so when you will use the standard, means if you want to save it, you can save it, but it's not the process to save it. Okay, because I have written controller, and yesterday I told you you can add only one controller. It may be custom controller, it may be standard. If here I have written controller, means I can't add standard controller here. Okay, so if you want to add it a standard controller, it is not possible. But if you want to insert the record, you can insert the record as well. So till now, I have not taught you how can you insert the record into database by Apex class. But yeah, tomorrow I'll teach you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but if you want, you can do it. You have tried only one line statement. So any doubt till here in this scenario? Okay, you won't take screenshot, you can take it. It's the wrapper class. Okay, who wants to take a screenshot? If you want, you can take, else you can see screen.
बट सर मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया, मैंने रैपर क्लास उसी क्लास में बनाई है.
Ma'am, I have already told you both are correct. It's the global that is private. It's the public, and which process you use that is private.
Can you go for the practice rap
Yes, sure, sir.
VF page?
Give me some time that minimize this.
Okay, done.
Won't take nouns, won't take pronoun. Then
Yes, sir, done.
good. Okay, so now what I have to do, this scenario is about I'll make the assignment, then I'll say, okay. और एक बात और, रैपर क्लास का नेम मेरी क्लास से पहले किस किसने सुना हो? ये रैपर क्लास का नेम किस किसने सुना था मेरी क्लास से पहले?
सर किस किसने सुना था?
हाँ, मतलब रैपर क्लास सेल्स फोर्स में थे।
आपको पढ़ाने से पहले?
हाँ,
हाँ सर, मैंने तो काम भी किया है.
प्रीति मैम हुई, मुक्ता भी, आई थिंक सैम, रवि भैया, ठीक है। फिर मतलब रैपर क्लास का काम भी किया है, तो कहीं रिसर्च भी की हुई रैपर क्लास के बारे में, यूट्यूब पे या कहीं
यस सर.
कुछ मिला तो सही से रैपर क्लास में पढ़ने का
Yes, sir, मिला दो.
मिला है,
यस.
रेफर करोगे कुछ?
रैपर क्लास में सर सबसे जो बेस्ट चीज है वो सर मेमोरी स्टोरेज का सर. उसमें सर स्टोरेज का मेमोरी स्टोर नहीं होती है, वो मेमोरी नहीं देता है सर.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, आई एम गोइंग टू एंड द मीटिंग, प्लीज ज्वाइन.